unboxing day of my chase for naturals. Another company. I'm really chasing these naturals down, seeing who's who, seeing what's what. If you're dealing with naturals, I want to hear about you. If you people know about naturals, now's the time. A lot of people give me a list years ago building off this. This was brand new, out of nowhere. LA seems to be a hotbed for naturals right now. I'll keep my eye on them because we all know the story. I've seen it over and over again. You get into a brand built up, heavy duty perfumes, really good. And then Mr. Investor comes along and says, hey, if we just tweak this and add this and do this, look at your P&Ls. Look at this big difference. I'm trying to find the people that don't give into that and build brands off ingredients and not greed. I have a feeling this is a good brand. I went undercover on it. He doesn't know who I am when I ordered. Thick paper card. Very good branding and marketing. Like in the perfume world, top notch. It's stuff I'm used to in all the other worlds that I've done for my whole life, so I recognize it right away. The articles he's in and this and that. I mean, it's become so normal for me that I can recognize it easy. This is, I've never seen tissue paper like this. It's pretty cool. So he wraps it in this fancy perforated packing tissue. That's cool. I love touches. Look at the copper stickers. This is called the Parfum Flight, which is perfect. I mean, just following the drinks. Notes are on the back, stamped with G20, with, I guess, batch stamp is what I'm guessing. See those copper stickers? Really cool color, just barely blue. I mean, like I said, he's on point when it comes to branding and marketing. The DeWalt took care of that. Even edging on the boxes. Look at this. The last time something was this fancy was Able. Last time I remember that, and they're natural. Isolates, though. Able uses lots of isolates. Let's see if this guy, what he's doing. This is cool. We'll go one by one. I don't have any that I'm dying to try. I just want to try his work overall. They're glued in here to help them stay. This is really cool packaging. Like even indentations here and whatnot. I picked Sigil. Oh no, that's the brand name. Sigil. Sorry. I think his name's Patrick, if I pronounce that wrong. Ooh, I picked Prima Materia. That's the name that stuck out to me most. So what do we got here? Arbor Real Fresh Vetiver Oak Moss, Neroli, and White Sage. Look at Brandon memorizing notes like I'd done this before. Bright, crisp, everything hits. Neroli's there, bed of moss. It's really good perfume. Super good natural perfume. Moss lays it all down. Yeah, I mean, I think, is this like a shipwreck? There's no citrus mentioned, but something bright and crisp on the top of it against the neroli's there. Aromatic sage, something crisp with citrus in there against the vetiver and oak moss. Good vetiver, good moss, rock and roll. Here we go. It's good stuff. All right, Amor Fati. Let's try this one, the Oud one. Palo Santo off the top. Okay. Come on. I've smelled the oud before. We'll see. I'll go into dry down. I don't want to make any judgments. It smells like it smells exactly like an oil I have in my collection, that I ordered from an American EO company, Oud. Because I've used it in my compositions as well, playing around, and it's this smell with Palo Santo. It's almost, to a T, it's almost like something I've made this one.
Someone's at front door.
Very young, fresh oud. Nothing foul, fecal, or anything about it. It's beautiful. It's good wood scent. Like mass-pleasing wood scent. That's an all-natural. Good job, man. Good job. It's I think he has a perfumer working for him. This smells way too composed for somebody self-taught right now. Maybe. I don't want to take anything away from anybody, but it's usually with self-taught people, they always want to push something. They always want to push ingredients and whatnot. Whereas you can tell master perfumers who've done the tricks for a long time, just the composition is just so balanced. Both of these are just so balanced. He has to have a perfumer working for him. It's good perfume. It's good natural perfume. I'll have to report back. I'll try to pick. Maybe I'll do. I've been doing shotgun full reviews. I might do that if all four are good, or just pick one that I like throughout the day and come back and really talk about the brand. This brand deserves to be talked about more. I'm stunned. Just these two. Found one. Wow, I found one. Found a good brand. I do a lot of these, and you guys don't see them, just in case if they're not good, I just destroy the film. But this is for sure going to make it. So a lot of them have been making the channel because these are Solutio, Cypriol, Cypress, Labdanum, and Chaparral. I was going to say Cypriol was in this one. I still think it is. I will have to see. But the Apopanox, this is Amor Fati is good. It's not huge. It's starter oud. It's a really good mass pleasing starting oud fragrance, which needs to happen in the market. You need to have that one where you just spray on, go, be in mass business situations. I do. I personally do a lot. I wear more of it than the stuff I love that I wear for myself, just because I'm in those situations a lot. All right. Citrus, beautiful. Mixes with the Cypriol. Again, he doesn't say. It says green, aromatic, citrusy. I'm like, citrus is not even mentioned. I'm getting citrus on all of them. Huge, like a natural cleaner lemon fragrance, not full on pine sol, but headed there, top to this, like your natural version of it. Yeah. I prefer, I don't know if it doesn't say it's blue cypress. It doesn't smell like blue cypress. I prefer blue cypress's toned down vibes better. Huge, natural cleaner top to it. So that will buzz off quickly and we'll get to the resins. I might not have it for this video, but that's done this enough. That's what will happen. What's this last one? Well, I'm getting glasses today. Reading glasses. Gave in. All right, Anima Mundi. This is hinoki, rose, Immortelle, and jasmine. didn't use hinoki. The Agora one. Holy moly. This is beautiful. Not too rosy, not too jasmine, just perfectly blended. This guy has to have I haven't researched it. He has to have a perfume. I'm guessing he has a perfumer doing all these. They're just way too well composed for somebody who's self-taught. No offense to self-taught people. But self-taught people usually want to always be heavy-handed with a note or two in their final compositions. It's so hard pulling back because you want the world to smell this special smell you created. Over 1,000 samples, that's what I've gleaned from it. Of course, there are exceptions to the rules. Patrick might be an exception. My apologies if you're not the perfumer. I mean, if you are the perfumer. Just so well composed on both of these. Wow. Just nothing over too florally. Rose, jasmine, intertwining with hinoki. I mean, nothing super special. Like, I haven't researched where he gets his essential oils from, where he gets his absolutes from, where he gets his roses from. Like, it smells like I don't want to call it, just rose that I get from, again, an American essential oil company. Not bad, but I've smelled some of the best roses in the world. People are sending me some really high-end stuff. This is mass-pleasing, good, easy to wear. I would grab, they're like Abels to me. As a brand, as a perfume company, that's what you're going for, right? I would probably use this juice more than my other juices because they're so easy to, business situations, spray, mass-pleasing, don't worry, no offense. It's all natural, which for some reason I like in my mind a lot, especially when I spray a lot. So kudos to him for that. He's really put together something special here. Overall, this oud fragrance, this is funny. I mean, it really reminds me of something I did over a year ago. And it's composition's 10,000 times better. That's not what I'm saying. It's I used this, I swear, maybe the Palo Santo and the oud combined, but it's the memory locker. I can't break it. It's just like this thing in my brain that I've smelled this before. This is what I was playing with. Citrus in there. Good stuff. Sigil. Sorry, Patrick, I'm the worst at pronunciation. I need to do more research on you. I need more companies like Slumber House that just say, there is no pronunciation, it's up to you. But anyways, Sigil Scent is the website, the company, all natural. It smells like they're all natural ingredients, not isolates, like Abel. Composition is, if this was self-taught, I'm mind-blown. Like his future's bright. He's young, as far as I've seen his pictures on the site and Instagram. He's very young, so wow. But whoever's running the business, smart in branding, marketing, top notch. They have it all figured out. All right, welcome to the channel. Another natural on the channel. Love that you're here, Patrick. Everyone, you and yours be safe, and above all, be blessed.